Fan Mike, and today I'm going to replace this turbine fan on the roof. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. So there are 3 screws on this. One there, and here's 2 on the other one. So I'm just going to remove those and see what we can find. So I put this turbine back on just to see how it's set, and there's probably a couple of reasons why it's not spinning very well. It's been hit by something. You can see it's completely out around there, these couple here. So I'm going to try to bend those back, lube up the bearings, and see if we can get her going. You can see how most of these fins are nice and round, and then you come to that section. So something hit it right there, and these 2 at least are messed up. Nothing else really stands out too horribly, but maybe I can just bang this back into shape here. Without breaking it too badly. This is sharp stuff, so I got to be careful. Okay, I'm going to try to lube up the bearings and see if that helps. Alright, so we're looking at the underside of this. I've just got laying on top of the base there. There's 2 sets of bearings here. One is at the top, back there, and they're just little ball bearings. And the other set is right here. And I'm sure they haven't been serviced. Look at this thing, doesn't hardly even spin when I hit it. So I'm going to hit it with some silicone lubricant. This is what I'm using, Blaster, good for automotive stuff as well. Just get it back there and try to work it in. And the little washer falls back in, that's alright. And the other set is right there. You know, even after lubing this thing up like crazy, it still doesn't spin very freely at all. It should be going like crazy, just hardly effortlessly. So I think I'm going to just put a new top on this and see how that works. So here's a new top, and here's the difference. Like butter. So this is the same deal. I'm going to just reinstall these 3 screws, and that should be it. I'm not sure if they're going to line up. I hope so. Well, there's the difference between the old one and the new one. The new one has brand new bearings, spins like crazy, no problems. 3 screws, that's all it holds it on. Well, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you're interested in our franchise opportunity, I'll leave a link for that in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.